Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, September the 5th, 2022. New week, new puzzles, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cijferblok. And this one, the binary, yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 5128. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, between two O's comes an 1, and between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Then. I think it's time for comparing. Yeah. Well. Let me see. Yeah, time to compare. Okay. Well. I'm stuck. Let me see. 101. We have 1 row and 3 columns. Double O, 101, 011, 000. Yeah, this row and the last row, look to the O's here. If I place the O there, then we have identical rows, so I cannot place the O there. The O should be there. Alright, so this box should be a 1. Okay, otherwise we have identical rows. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same story for this O and that 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. This box should be a 1. Alright, and now 10. Well. Look. This column and that column. Look to the ones. Here we have a 1, Here we have a 1, and there we have a 1. The fourth one, I cannot place the fourth one here, otherwise we will have the identical columns. So I cannot place the 1 here. So this should be an O. Okay. Okay, and then. Yeah. Okay, we can compare this column and that column. Okay, 1 1 empty box. 0 1 1 0 1 1 empty box. 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Okay. This one is complicated. Ay. 1 2 3 4 4 O's. Overlook this 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Almost identical. 10. Double 1 here. Okay. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes a 1. Then compare again. 101. Do we have a 101 here? 101. Oh, no, it's not the same. I think we need to compare the columns. 1 1 1 1 0 1. Oh, yeah. This one and that one. Yeah. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finished in 8 minutes. Well, a lot of comparing this one. A lot of comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.